and we're back with another video.
Look outside of the hood.
Yeah, welcome back to our side of the hood, you guys. We are trying Louisiana crawfish.
We got this for the grocery store.
This is his first time trying crawfish, y'all.
Cause I like crawfish.
He don't know. He ain't never had crawfish in his life.
Yep.
And here come my husband. Sticking his hand and I'm the one been craving them. You gotta get the bag. Don't get all my sausage, bro.
What sausage?
That you eating. Here, Junior.
Okay.
Tez, move.
Okay, that's it. I promise you that's it. Hey, y'all, I love my wife.
Love is blind.
I'm still
Bro, I'm the one been craving the crawfish and these people is eating my food. Bro, I'm done. I'm done. He don't even see you. That's what you get. Nobody can even see you.
Yep. You too.
Take that fish out. That's what you can do. Eat my... Bro, come on now.
What is he eating?
I'm the one with the stand. I want crawfish. I want crawfish. It already ain't no big bag. It's already not no big bag. So, you get red potatoes and do...
I'm hungry. That's like sunshine.
Just eat all my stuff. Eat my food. And drinking my juice.
That's because you the only one eating right now. You got crawfish and all this to eat on. We still waiting on the food to get done.
Yeah.
And you don't want us to sit here.
Crawfish and do his sausage.
Hey, Mom, can you take this off?
First of all, I give it an 8 out of 10. I get 8 out of 10.
And my mom says this is 8 out
I
of 10.
give it 8, yeah. I give about 7, 8.
Now it ain't nothing like Chuck Wagon and what you call it from back home.
I miss that Chuck Wagon.
But it'll do. I'd rather have this than the crawfish that they be serving in the restaurants.
Yep.
Oh, yeah, they hungry, bro.
Cause
Maybe they serve these big ones.
the restaurants here, their crawfish, the Cajun, it's horrible. It's horrible. Trash.
Why is everyone saying trash?
I ain't even eating that. Hold on. Told you ain't a lot of crawfish.
Crawfish? That's out. Now this is cool. Because I don't even know how it makes corn into corn.
That's a head. You're supposed to suck on it. Yeah, I was just about it, bro. Okay, here go crawfish here. He's never had crawfish before, you guys.
Nope. But I have my crawfish. And now I'm eating a crawfish now. Because I like crawfish, but I didn't even try crawfish for my whole night.
Corn.
Look, this is the most healthy one in the food. Corn is the healthy. Fish is these are healthy too. This is healthy. I'm gonna eat this, okay? 3, 2,
I ain't worried about what you talking about.
1, go.
I just don't like how, you know, if you cook potatoes and you leave them there too long, they get mushy. So the potato is mushy. But the seasoning is there. Yeah, I ain't had crawfish in so long, bro. What are you doing? You don't eat the shell. Where are you? What are you?
I'm not nothing. I'm just trying to.
Yo.
Why does cloud rings? See? There's another one.
Yeah. You don't eat that.
I'm going to take it off the head.
Okay, yeah.
We just tried them crawfish like all the whole life right now.
So, we got 51 subscribers.
51 subscribers, yeah!
My goal is 100. Right in the year. I mean, if we don't reach that, it's all good. It is all good. Cause y'all know we just not building. So it's okay. It's okay. Yeah. I'm really telling y'all, I ain't had crawfish in so long.
Me too.
Then maybe it's so good because I ain't had none. And I don't know what he started talking about him too.
I didn't have crawfish either.
He never had crawfish a day in his life.
Nope. I didn't have like 100 weeks ago. 100 weeks.
I really wish these potatoes.
Look guys, this is a walking crab.
I really wish you could have one like that.
Can I ask you something, guys? This is the best food ever seen. This is the best food ever seen in my whole life. Please buy it, then you can cook it, and then you can make everything. So I said to y'all guys, buy it so you can cook this like us.
All right.
Get done with our crawfish.
Remember what I said.
But there's one more. It's not. This is a crawfish.
We're doing 2 videos because I'm cooking too. So if y'all see me in the other video with the same shirt on, just know it happened the same exact day. The same day. Okay? What's wrong?
Nah.
And remember,
Please buy it.
Julia, if don't nobody else love you, I love you. You love me, I love you, we love each other. That's all that matters. Don't forget to engage, like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. He is in the camera. And then until next time, see you on our side of the hood.
Yep, see you out of the hood.